Welcome to another exciting video from the Part-Time Preppers. Tonight is toning the Zombucks. Yes, our one daughter lives with us. I gave both of our daughters Zombucks and put them in necklaces. And the one was toning pretty nicely. And then by chance, our other daughter came home recently for a visit, and she brought hers in. Now let's show you the youngest daughter that's still with us, and some nice little toning. Now let's see if we're gonna got my copy there. We're gonna put this down, and this was in a jewelry box. And it's kind of, I like it because it brings out the details somewhat. There's the reverse of the Zombuck. Very nice. And grant you, they don't wear them much, but I believe they both have worn them during the Halloween season on a couple of occasions, so they do see the light of day. But there's that, very pretty nice, the barber there. I always like those scissors. But now the other daughter, to our shock and amazement, she brought this in, and wow. Yes, she also had it in a jewelry box. Now this one's actually a little newer, from when they were made, and it's got some purples and blue. Wow, I was in shock when she showed us this. But wow, this tone up nice. And here's the reverse, and again, a nice haze of, let's show it off. Let's try to get a close-up here. But there, I don't know if you can pick it up. This camera's not the greatest, but I got some blue in it there. And let's show that stunning front again. Yes, and I'll show you the type of box she has this in. Look at the skeletons on the bottom, but yeah, that's toning really nice. Yeah, I love the purples and the blues there down, near the bottom of the coin. And yes, and look at there's the apocalypse sign right in the middle there of the old lady, or the young lady with the head there. Very neat coin. Could never get enough of this series. And at this point, I'm going to take one of ours, me and the hand models, and try to tone it up. Because this is basically the type of box. Now, the one that, just this little fuzzy stuff, I don't even know what it's made out of. But our daughter, the younger one, just has hers in this. Of course, it has a top. And the daughter with the newer Zombuck with the blue, it's just basically the same box she has hers in, except it's a little bigger of a box, but the same type of material. So just a little heads up there. Some real beautiful toning in my opinion, and I really think it adds something to the Zombucks. That's it. Take care, be good, keep stacking. Till the next time, we always appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.